Introducing 30 must-see cool tools. Get ready for a tour of innovation. From high-tech scanners to versatile multi-tools, each promises to elevate your work. Brace yourself for sleek designs and cutting-edge features. Let's explore. 3D Simo MultiPro. The 3D Simo MultiPro is a multifunctional portable workshop, replacing complex tools such as a 3D printer and soldering station. It can be equipped with a 0.3 mm drill bit or a soldering tip, heating up to 490 degrees Celsius in 20 seconds. Suitable for engraving, burning, and cutting various materials, the basic kit is priced at $69. Rigid Flex Shaft K912. The Rigid K912 is Flex Shaft's most compact pipe cleaning solution, weighing 4.5 kilograms. It can be used with any cordless drill at speeds between 1,800 and 2,500 revolutions per minute. Priced at $230. Minova ESP Hand Rasp. The Minova ESP Hand Rasp is a tungsten carbide rasp used independently or attached to a vacuum cleaner via the included insert. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable two-handed grip, and its cordless feature ensures no accidental disconnections during movements. NetU? NetU systems allow quick, even, and wasteless adhesive application. The top version adjusts its width up to 80 centimeters and features teeth ranging from 8x8 to 20x15 Rubber rollers ensure tiles remain undamaged during the process, priced at $511. Irwin Folding Chisel. The Irwin Folding Chisel, designed like a butterfly knife, functions as a traditional woodworking chisel. The 25 mm wide cutting edge can be sharpened like any other chisel, and it features a plastic handle. Priced at $16, it's a novel gift for a carpenter. VibBar eBat. The NR VibBar eBat is a cordless pendulum vibrator designed for pouring concrete mixtures, eliminating wire hassles. Weighing 5 kilograms, it features reduced noise and vibration levels, providing an hour of use per charge. The vibrator, including a charger and a 4 amp-hour battery, is priced at $896. Grip Hog Vacuum. EZG Manufacturing produces the Grip Hog vacuum lifters, which handle various weights. The basic model lifts up to 34 kilograms, while the top-tier model handles up to 109 kilograms. Each lifter includes attachments with memory foam elements, reducing work time by 40%, justifying the basic model's price of $634. Glob Marble Rollers. Stamped concrete rollers from Glob Marble speed up the finishing process by up to 5 times, creating consistent textures. The RL 11611 model, with a 28 centimeters width, mimics brickwork. For optimal results, apply a stain to seal the finish. Each roller is priced at $40. Fisher Duotec. Made from fiberglass reinforced plastic and stainless steel, they feature a rib strip similar to zip ties. They work with both regular and metric screws, and their compact size allows installation with a standard 10 mm drill bit. A set of 50 plugs costs $76. INL Rise F Series. Despite its price of $3,127, it inspects live trees, bridge supports, playground equipment, and other wooden structures, providing immediate documentation of results. Neater Tools. Tailored for car enthusiasts, this versatile system holds microphones, cameras, or tools during work on a bench or under the hood. Its magnetic components support up to 1 kilogram, and the built-in lamp offers up to 8.5 hours of illumination, enhancing work efficiency by 37%. The basic set costs $150. Enerpack Hydraulic Pumps. The SC 121 megabytes features a maximum working pressure of 689 bar and a motor with approximately 1 horsepower, weighing about 20 kilograms. Users will appreciate the 54V battery and the Enerpack Connect app, priced at $4,700. We64 Cobalt. The We64 Cobalt sharpening system by Wicked Edge is compact at 24 centimeters in length, but performs as well as larger models. It includes 2 2600 grit diamond-coated sharpening stones mounted on guide rods, with a variable angle slider for visible sharpening angles. It also works with adapters for scissors and chisels. The system is priced at $76. Raise EM10 Stone. Weighing 12 kilograms, it boasts a 2.2 kilowatts motor with adjustable speed up to 8,500 RPM. Using water in the grinding process, it comes with a splash guard and a GSCF for safety against electric shock. Priced at $949. Or ITBV clamps. Or ITBV lifting clamps are essential for lifting curbstone slabs and other heavy items. A standard model offers adjustable jaws with 3 positions and can open up to 28 centimeters, making them an essential addition to any heavy lifting toolkit. Chicken. The Chicken Wood Splitter, priced at $74, allows quick and efficient chopping of both dry and wet wood. Its movable part adds the necessary weight for effective splitting, valuable given the rising cost of firewood. Skyscraper Package. The Skyscraper Kit, priced at $763, is designed for roof debris and dirt removal. It offers adjustable height settings of 7, 9, and 10 meters, and includes 11 different scraper blades and a moss-affected brush. Accessories can be combined as needed, recommended for professional cleaners. Drill-to-saw converter. Enhance your drill with a reciprocating saw converter for $75. This kit includes blades of 135, 145, and 150 millimeters lengths and handles metalworking. It guarantees compatibility with most electric drills and works effectively with screwdrivers. Neoruler Go. The Neoruler Go is a compact laser ruler designed for precise measurements, accurate within plus or minus 1 millimeter. Measurements can be transferred to an app in various formats. This lightweight device, weighing 45 grams, is priced at $49. Coil Shoulder Cleaning Tool. The Coil Shoulder, priced at $102, cleans condenser heat exchange units. It connects to a garden hose and uses innovative technology to clean dirt, grime, and grease with 1 or 2 cleaning tablets, featuring a 91 centimeters long nozzle for difficult spots. Ryobi Speed Bench. The Speed Bench workstation by RI is versatile, converting from a workbench into a cart. In workbench mode, it features a wooden tabletop measuring 107 by 56 centimeters and supports up to 181 kilograms. In cart mode, the load capacity is 136 kilograms. With 25 centimeters diameter wheels for mobility, the Speed Bench is priced at $199. Rapid XP30. It handles fasteners from M4 to M6 sizes, suitable for both DIY projects and professional use. Its aluminum body remains flush with the wall, enhancing versatility, priced at $25. Blum Drilling Templates. Blum's drilling templates are invaluable for furniture construction. The T651 template excels in drilling runner hook positions and pre-drilling mounting holes for guide rails and clips on drawers. This high-quality tool, crafted in Austria, is priced at $39. Crescent Measuring Wheel. The Crescent Lufkin measuring wheel provides a practical solution for measuring distances accurately. These wheels feature analog meters calibrated to the wheel's rotation, starting at $29, providing an invaluable tool for various measurement tasks. Artec Leo. The Artec Leo scanner costs $34,100 and is the world's first wireless 3D scanner powered by AI algorithms. It scans areas up to 160,000 cubic chem at speeds up to 80 frames per second. With Artec Studio software, you can blend scans and photos from other cameras to create highly realistic 3D models. XSTO ZDO 4170D. The XSTO ZDO 4170D handles loads up to 170 kilograms on stairs, moving at 34 steps per minute. On a single charge, it climbs up to 135 floors, operating at around 70 decibels. Its wheels feature shock-absorbing pneumatic tires, priced at approximately $1,500 with a discount. Viper Vacuum Scraper. For $30, the Viper Vacuum Scraper attaches to a wet/dry vacuum, effectively containing dust, debris, and dirt. It removes layers of paint, plaster, and other materials up to 6.4 millimeters thick, reinforced with fiberglass for durability. Wood Pro Lather Cutting Machine. The Wood Pro Lather Cutting Machine is a professional-grade device exerting pressures up to 1.5 tons, cutting through materials up to 1.5 centimeters thick. Despite its powerful performance, it remains compact at 38x31 cm, priced at $668. Enerpac Battery Torque Wrench. Enerpac's new cordless torque wrench delivers up to 8,130 N of torque with 5% accuracy throughout its operating range. Portable and battery-powered, the kit includes two 5.5-hour batteries, an LED display, and easy torque adjustment. Priced at approximately $78,000. Tolson 4V features a 2,000 mAh battery, LED lights, and a reverse function. It offers torque adjustment up to 10 Nm, easily controlled with one finger. The kit includes various bits for different purposes, each marked with colored rings. Thanks for joining us on this journey through 30 must-see cool tools. Don't miss out on future updates and exciting content. Subscribe now to stay connected and be the first to discover the latest tools and gadgets that can enhance your life. Join our community today and let's continue exploring the world of innovation together. Thanks for watching.